In this video, I'm going to teach you how to stop the recurring payments on the Wells Fargo app. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. Keep in mind that I'm going to be showing you this process on the new redesign of the Wells Fargo app. So if you have the old version, you need to update if you want to follow the process I'm going to teach you in this video. As long as you have the latest version of the Wells Fargo app with no pending updates on your phone, you can open it up, sign into your account, and from the home screen, aka the Accounts tab, you can select which account you want to disable the recurring payments for. When you go into the account details, you should see the Overview, Manage Accounts, and Routing and Details tabs. Simply head over to the Manage Account option, and in there you will have a list of all your recurring transactions. You will be able to disable them as you want and edit any amount assigned to any of them. I hope I was able to help you on how to stop recurring payments on the Wells Fargo app. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.